YouTube offers a range of benefits from personal entertainment to professional and educational opportunities. Here are some key advantages. First, learning and education. Access to tutorials. YouTube has tutorials on almost everything, from cooking to coding. Channels like Crash Course and Khan Academy are widely used for free education. Language learning. Many channels provide free resources for language learning. Skills development. YouTube can help with everything from home repairs to fitness routines. Second, entertainment and inspiration. Diverse content. YouTube's vast content library includes vlogs, music videos, documentaries, and live streams covering nearly any interest. Personalized recommendations. YouTube's algorithms suggest videos based on your interests, making it easy to discover new content. Influencer and lifestyle insights. Many people enjoy following influencers from lifestyle tips, fashion ideas, or just entertainment. Third, platform for creators. Content creation opportunities. It allows users to create their own channels and build an audience, turning hobbies into careers. Revenue potential. YouTube creators can monetize their channels through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. Creative expression. YouTube offers a way for artists, musicians, and creatives to share their work widely and reach potential fans. 4. Business growth and marketing. Brand building. Companies use YouTube to promote products, demonstrate usage, and share customer testimonials. Targeted ads. YouTube ads help businesses reach specific audiences based on interests and demographics. Customer engagement. Brands use YouTube to directly engage with audiences through comments, questions and answers, and live videos. 5. Global community and accessibility. Global reach. YouTube connects people from different cultures and perspectives, fostering a sense of global community. Accessible everywhere. Available on mobile and desktop. It's easy to access on the go, making it convenient for users worldwide. Subtitles and translations. YouTube's auto-translation and subtitle features allow for accessibility even across language barriers. These benefits make YouTube a valuable platform for entertainment, learning, business, and creative expressions. Thank you.